Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy veggie lasagna. So if you want to see how to make this lasagna, just stay tuned.
So to keep this quick and easy, like I promised, we're going to be using a bag of mixed frozen vegetables. I'm also going to be adding a can of black beans and some spinach. Spinach is so great, it's high in iron. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Give the sauce a quick stir and then let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's slightly thickened. And now to make the ricotta mixture. Add your egg, add your mozzarella, and your parmesan.
And we're going to mix everything all together. We want to have like a smooth texture to it. We're going to add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper. Okay, so now we're going to get our sauce mixture, and we're just going to put a layer of the sauce, spread it evenly.
Here you go, grab your lasagna sheets. Today I'm using the oven ready because I'm trying to make this quick and easy lasagna, but you can also use the boiled version if you like. So I'm going to add about 4 pieces per row.
We're going to put some of our ricotta mixture on top. Make sure you smooth everything. Add some more sauce. Layer that on.
Quick tip: if you find that some of your lasagna sheets are broken, improvise by breaking pieces of lasagna sheets and fill in the gaps.
Okay, so I'm going to be using mozzarella and Mexican style cheese.
Am I the only one who loves a cheesy lasagna? You guys, I'm going to pile this up with cheese. Let me tell you, I'm going to add 1 whole layer of the Mexican cheese and then 1 whole layer on top of the mozzarella. That should tell you.
Scrape out the whole thing, you guys. We're not trying to make anything go to waste. This is going to be so good. So now we're going to add a layer of spinach. Don't be afraid to pile this up with spinach. So good for you. Now with this layer, I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper, a little bit more salt, as we just add a new layer of the spinach, some Parmesan cheese, top it off with some black pepper, a little salt, and some parsley. Add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of water. Take your time and slowly pour it.
Okay, now for the next step, add the foil paper, you guys. Nothing sucks more than a dried out lasagna. Remove your lasagna from the oven and allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes before you serve it.
Now for my favorite part, we're going to taste this.
Look at all that cheese, you guys. This thing looks so good.
This is so good, you guys. So if you want to see more recipes like this and like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.